Hi kids, welcome to Kids Learning. Today we learn about cooking verb vocabulary. Boil. The water is boiling. Fry. Fry the meat. Mix. Mix the ingredients. Melt. The ice cream is melting. Roast. Roast the chicken. Peel. Peel the apple. Squeeze. Squeeze the lemon. Mash. Mash the potato. Whisk. Whisk the egg. Grate. Grate the cheese. Drain. Drain the pasta. Knead. Knead the dough. Slice. She is slicing the carrot. Sprinkle. Sprinkle salt on salad. Break. She is breaking an egg into a bowl. Roll out. Roll out the dough. Bake. We are baking cake in the oven. Add. I like to add milk to my tea. Saute. Saute the vegetables for 5 minutes. Thanks for watching. We hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Bye kids.